Hi, welcome to Qlikview. Today we are going to discuss about joins and heaps. So joins and heaps are normally a database concepts. So as Qlikview works on associative uh, concept, so we'll look at how joins and keeps work. Okay, so here the joins will work similar to the SQL or else any relational database. So inner join is nothing but intersection of two. Outer join is union, and as well as left join all left and common in right, and right join or all right and common in left. Okay, this is how the joins will work. And this along with the joins, so there is another type of join which will perform the same as joins. Okay, that is called keep. Okay, join will merge the tables and then it will create one table. The output of two tables with the join operation is one table, but whereas keep will keep two tables, but the action will be performed accordingly. Okay, let's see that how the joins and the keep will work in action with Qlikview. Okay, let's go for creating a new document. So I'll not be loading any data today because I'll be playing with uh, inline table. Okay, so let's go to edit, control E, taking bit time. Okay, then go to insert and load statement, load inline. Okay, so this is a column one. Let's take it as ID, as data, sorry, ID and product. Okay, ID 1, 2, 3, 4. The product P1, P2, P3, P4. Okay, in the same way, I want to have another table. I want to insert another table, that is so order table. Let's take category. So this is ID, and Qlikview is case sensitive. Be careful with that. So 1, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm missing 2 here. So putting C1 as category 1, C1 and C2. Sorry for that. Then this rename this F2 as category. Give a short name, it's CAT. CATE GOR1. Okay. Then now I'm not performing any kind of action, any kind of join here. Okay. Let's do that. Control R. It is asking me to save because I haven't saved this document, and then put here joins and keep. Save it. And it is good practice to give table names always. Let's go to data model and see here. So as I told you earlier, the Qlikview tables will create a relation between or among themselves with a common field name. So here we have ID and two are in relation with ID. So we don't have to create a schema here. So it will automatically create schema based on the common field name. Okay, let me put some table name here, T1, and here it is T2. Okay, and reload it. You can see it's T1 and T2. Okay, T1 is having more values than T2. Okay, T1 is a product and T2 is nothing but category. Okay, let's see the keys here. The ID is having 100% density in T1. Okay, and subset ratio is 100%. I'll tell you what is subset ratio. And here ID is having information density 100% because there are only 3 records and subset ratio is 75%. How this subset ratio will help? Now, assume T1 is my master table and T2 is slave table. So here we have 4 keys, right? And here we have 3 keys, 3 key values I can say. So in combined we have 4 in common, sorry, 4 keys. So out of 4, here 4 are there, that's why its subset ratio is 100. So here out of 4 only 3 are there, means it's 75% only. So if subset ratio is missing, so then you can find the strange results in your front end. Okay, now one category is missing in T2 or one product category is unassigned. Okay, then see the values in action. So I'll be creating a table here, a simple table box just to verify. Go to new sheet objects and create on table box. Okay, add all fields. Press OK. So here the product P2 is not having any category, right? This is just like acting like union. Okay, now let's go for joins. So what is the default join in Qlikview? So that is outer join. Okay, so let's place a join in between 2 tables. Okay, that's it. After that, the values are same, the results are same. And here, why, as I told you earlier, the Qlikview works on, executes the code from top to bottom. So whichever the code first executed, that will be treated as left. And next is right. Okay, top to bottom means left to right. Suppose here I'm saying this as join, right? I mean outer join. Let's put inner join here. So what inner join will do, it will fetch the common records. Let me reload it. So now I should get only the IDs 1, 3 and 4. Reload it. Now you can see the same thing here. We have 1, 3 and 4 because it will fetch intersection, means common ID values. This is how inner join will work. And let's see the table. So you can see only one table. So the output of join is one table, single table. Okay. Let's put left join. Left join. Save it. Reload. Now see. So as I told you earlier, you can drag these columns gently so that they'll be arranged. So I'm getting all the products. So there are 4 products. We are getting all 4 products, but in category we're getting only 3. So all left and common in right. That's what left join is. So here we are getting all the records of left table and we are missing nothing here in right table. Okay, so let's put one more record 5 here and let's make it as C7. Let's treat this as category 7. Then you'll get clarity. Now if I reload, I should get only 1, 2, 3, 4 and I should be missing with the category, another category, that is 5, right? So this is what left join and right join. Right join. So here we'll be getting all right and common in left. So C1, C2, C7, all the right we got, and common just 1, 3, 4. 2 is not there in the right table, so that's why we are not getting it. This is how it works, right? So the output of this is also single table, right? Let's think. Suppose I have sales values in my product table, okay, or quantitative. Let me put sales, okay. Here assume 10 and P2 is 15 and P3 is 16, sorry 26, and P4 as 89. We are missing here 52, sorry, right? So this is our sales data, okay. Excuse me for this. So this is sales data, and the next one is dimensions. If I do join here, it won't make sense, because one is the dimension table and the one is sales table. Okay, so in this case, what we do is, and the structure will also looks embarrassing, and traversing is also a bit difficult if you do that. So in that case, we can use keep to have the structure differently, but we can what we can say, but we can retain the structure, right? So let's go with keep. Let me reload it, and saying unknown statement, okay. So put some keep here, left or right. Let me try left keep, left keep, save it and reload. I hope. So what left join will do, all left and common in right. So here we have records of all first table values, means P1, P3 and P4. Okay, let's put this as P2. Yes, P1 to P4, right? And common in left. Right, let's add the remaining column as well, category. Right, this is how. So because P2 is not having any category in category table, this is not coming. Let's see the table structure. Let's go to tabular view, Control T, and but you can see here two tables, and this is my dimension. This is my fact table, and this one T2 is my dimension table. Okay, so this is how you can keep the uh, dimension tables and fact tables separately, so that you can easily identify, and you can apply some transformations if required, and traversing also very easy, and it will take less time to traverse and it will consume less memory. So there are many number of advantages from Qlikview end. Okay, so there is a white paper from Qliktext, just go through that, which will show you how Qlikview data models will work. There are star schema and snowflake schema. So some other people call as galaxy. So it's nothing but a snowflake schema. So star is nothing but one table surrounded by and dimension, means the center table will be fact surrounded by dimensions, and snowflake is nothing but extended star schema, I can say. So the dimensions are further extended, means you can find multiple dimensions tables, so one connected to another. Okay, right. Then let's check other keeps as well. So left keep, right keep. Okay, this is was all right, and common left, the structure will be same. Let's go to inner keep. Right, common in both tables, you can, but you can find the same structure. Okay, right. And now, which is the default key, right? So if you remove this, This is what outer keep is. So you don't have to mention keep, outer keep to have I mean like outer join. So as default join is outer, I mean here no keep is required because by default Qlikview will use outer keep. So let's see. So all values from all tables, but the tables are here. Okay, and this is how joins and keeps will work. Okay, and you can apply I mean this joins and keeps whenever they are required. So it is good practice to separate dimensions and facts with keys. We'll see how keys can be managed, and if there are no keys in the table, how to generate the keys. That we'll see in the upcoming sessions. Okay, and remember this: code will work, the code execution is from top to bottom. Okay, so if you have multiple tabs, assume that here I have created only one tab in the code. So like sheets in the front end, you can create tabs here. This is another one, so you don't have to write the code lengthy here, right? You can go here and you can write it here as well. Okay, this is how I mean this window works fine, and you can debug it as well, and you can reload here from here. Okay, so these are all the functions which are available here. I mean functionalities that are provided by the inbuilt menu options, and you can check the syntax. Okay, this will check and come back to the window, right? So so whatever the statement first executed, or whatever the statement first encountered, will be executed or will be treated I mean as a first priority to execute or first priority to run. So top to bottom approach, remember this. Okay, because sometimes in I can say in evaluation procedure, candidate evaluation procedure, people will ask, suppose if I put dimensions and measures in my data model, which table will be loaded first? Don't get confused. So whether it is dimension or fact, like we don't consider the priority of dimensions and facts, it just simply execute or load the first table which it I mean encounters or it visits in the code statement. Okay, right? So that's it. So that's all from for today's session. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe.